this was quite an interesting technology and protocol that was created by the guys who created cloud. And basically, I will just give you a small context on what MCP is for those who maybe doesn't know what we are talking about. Basically, when we interact with an LLM currently, we do that by using something called a client. When we talk about a client, we talk about, for example, ChatGPT user interface, Cloud user interface, Copilot, Cursor user interface, etc. This is the UI that you use to communicate with an LLM. And of course, there is the user who sends a request to the client, and the client sends a response to the user. But what happens behind of that? Behind of that, what the client does is just go to the LLM data and search and do stuff behind of that, right? Basically, before, when you, for example, you say ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, please go to my folder in my desktop and organize it by name or by type or whatever. A ChatGPT will tell you, hey, sorry, I'm not able to do that because I'm not programmed for that. I'm an LLM. I don't have the capacity to enter to your computer and do things there. So what happened next is that model context protocol servers were created or added to the environment. And what this does is adding some capabilities to the LLM services per se. When the user sends a request to a client, the client is going to communicate through something called MCP Server, as we will see in the demo. But basically, this will be an extension of an LLM. And this will have basically what happens behind of this is the MCP server contains functions that do specific things. And those functions has descriptions in language natural model.